Window shopping at Shein again, looking for jumpsuits. Let's just go to the categories and find women's plus size sports jumpsuits. All right. So here we go. Okay, this looks like this might be cool. Oh, I like how that. Oh, yes. What size is this? 1XL? Okay, well, can I fit it? Because it's 1X. It's not telling me the sizes. What the heck? I need to know the sizes of this. It's eligible for quick shop. Or quick ship. Quick ship sounds like that might be something that I want. But I still need to know what the sizes are. It says it's true to size. Love the color. It's super soft, but it's comfortable. It's a thicker material, but not too thick. Is it stretchable? Like, how stretchy is it? Because that's what I needed to do. I needed to have a complete stretch. That's on the reviews. It doesn't have many, only 4. Yeah, this isn't giving me enough information for me to purchase this. But I love how it looks. Y'all think I can fit a 1X? This is supposed to be plus. But it doesn't tell the sizes is the problem. Let me go down a little bit further. Maybe, no, it's not telling the sizes. What about, let's view more for reviews. What about product details? Let's go. What is details talking about? No, that's, okay, hold on, view more. No, it's not giving me any information. Listen, if it's not going to give me the sizes, baby, I'm not ordering it, because one thing we not going to do, I don't do returns for real. Especially, I think Shein makes you pay for returns. So, yeah, this is a no for me. Dang, that was super dope, though. It is not giving me any information. And then it's gone in a 1X for black. And then brown, it's available, but I needed to show the sizes. Am I missing something? Am I missing the size? Normally it pops up. Yeah, no, this isn't going to be okay. So we're not going to go with the flare jumpsuit. What else we got? I've already got this outfit right here. Yeah, I've already got that one. So we're not going to go with that one. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look like... Oh, that one stretches a lot. But the back is just really basic. For $15, I can't do that. It looks like these stretch a lot though. This is doing too much and then not doing enough at all. You get me? Does that sound crazy? Yeah, that's how I feel about that one. I don't know, guys. It's not looking... Oh, well, wait. Let me be quiet, because what's this right here? It's a one piece. Oh, it's $22. Why? Why $22? I don't like it. Oh, and then they got it big. Okay, so this one's 30 to 48 inches in the waist. Yeah, we need this down to a 1X. It's 46 inches in the waist. Hip size 33. Wait, what? You lying. Why would that be happening? That's so weird. Somebody's waist size is going to be bigger than their hips. I mean, I'm sure it's possible, but this is way bigger than the hip. I don't think nobody's doing that unless they're pregnant. So, yeah, they lost me with these sizes. Let's look at the size guide. 35 on the bust. Yeah, I would have to go down on this because, yeah, it's not making sense. Okay, this makes more sense. Okay, so yeah, I would have to get this in a 1X for this to fit tight enough. But again, this is $22. I'm not feeling $22. And then it only comes in pink. The back's, I guess the back is out a little bit. But Savage X Fenty has this for like $24. And it's way cuter. So it's going to be a no for me on this one. Oh, that's terrible because that was really cute. That was really dope. Let's see. What's this one doing? The back's not out on that. I need the back to be out, people. I'm sorry. I really like the back being out. This is a no. Yeah, I want that ruching effect in the butt area. So I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to find anything that I can fit. And again, I want the ruching. Yeah, this is that same one that I looked at a while ago. It's not a decent size, so that's not going to be a good look. This is shorts, and then the back is not out. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Just so you are aware. That's it. Oh my goodness. So we got a long way to. We need Sheen or whatever to step it up a little bit, because I want something different. This was not what I was looking for. Aw, that sucks. And I was ready to spend some money. I was not ready to spend some money, but I will if I have to. I mean, they don't have that cut for plus size at all, except for on this one. But let me show you the Savage X Fenty one that I'm talking about. All right, so here's Savage X Fenty. Let me show you the one that I'm talking about. It's this. It has a keyhole feature. This is way cuter. Now, don't get me wrong, y'all. That opening is open. It's way open. So you got to be a little bold. I ain't gonna lie. I walked in the gym and I was worried about them saying you can't wear that, because I have a lot. I have probably smaller than what she has, but no, I really don't know. I'm not for sure, but yeah. Let me just show you. It can get pretty hefty. So give me 1 second. Let me pull that up again. There's the outfit, but that's not really showing. Okay, here it is right here. So that's what the outfit is. It's in pink, or you saw the blue. So that's what I want too. I would love to get this in those different colors. And I'm not going to pay $22 for it at Shein. So Shein should probably be careful with what they're actually selling, because I'm not paying $22 for something I can get for $24 from Savage X Fenty that has the actual stability. Like, that outfit sucks you in a lot. You know, I was probably 20 pounds heavier in this before. But yeah, this outfit is much better than what you saw on Shein. Like, who doing that? Not me. So yeah, but the women's jumpsuits. Okay, here goes one we purchased, but maybe the next time I come back into Shein, they'll step it up and get some bigger sizes one-piece rompers with the back out. All right, bye-bye.